Today we are going to make mini arancini as an appetizer for approximately 6 serves. Let's get started. We will need 300 grams of arborio rice, 130 grams of frozen baby pea, 35 grams of salted butter, 35 grams of parmigiano, half a teaspoon of saffron, 80 grams of 00 flour, 150 grams of toasted breadcrumbs, 200 grams of beef ragu sauce, 2 eggs plus the seasoning. In a middle-sized pot, add half a litre of water at boiling point, add a pinch of salt. Add the rice, peas and stir. On medium flame, let it cook. Check and stir the rice. As the water absorbs, add a splash of boiling water. You might need more water as you go. Taste the rice, and when it is al dente and has absorbed all the water, we can turn off the flame. Add the butter, mix well. Add the parmigiano. Then the saffron, which in this case I am using the imitation one. Add 1 whole egg and mix. Lastly, add salt and pepper for the seasoning. Spread the rice on a large plate for it to cool down. And cover. Mix 1 egg. Once the rice has cooled down, we can start forming the arancini. Make sure to wet your hands before each arancini, as the rice is pretty sticky and hard to handle. Grab a handful of rice and obtain a round, deep form in order to fill them with the beef ragu. Slowly close them, and if you need extra rice on top, to close them, don't be shy. Be gentle so they don't open up. And continue with the rest. For the final step, pass the arancini to the flour. Then into the egg. And finally through the breadcrumbs. Just add an extra egg if you run out, as the flour absorbs the egg. In a large deep pan, in this case I use a wok, add peanut oil, which is great for deep frying. At the right frying temperature, add the mini arancini. Then turn them when they have reached a golden brown color. They are ready to get pulled out. and voila, beautiful crispy mini arancini. You can add different fillings to the arancini depending on what you like. I prefer to add more ragu sauce for the dipping. Enjoy!